G'day guys and welcome back to my channel. Today is the first video that I've made on this channel using my brand new G7X Mark III, and in this video I'll be comparing it to my G7X Mark II, which is right next door to it. And I'm having a couple of issues straight off the bat. Different coloring coming out of my viewfinder. So out of the viewfinder, I'm getting a lot more brighter colors and more vibrance in like my facial hair and my teeth. It's wider. It seems to be a wider tinge. I don't know. I'm not sure if it's got to do with the settings, but it seems to be a brighter, wider, crisper look in the viewfinder in the Mark II compared to the Mark III. And I don't know if that's going to show up when I'm editing the footage or bringing the video into my editor. But from the viewfinder point of view, I've tried playing around with the settings, but it does seem to be a little bit more brighter on the Mark II. If you guys know how to align them, or if they're meant to be, like for example, I feel like I look more tanned in the Mark III than in the Mark II. But anyway, here's the side-by-side. If you're planning on using it for vlogging, this is what it's going to sound like. I'm gonna adjust the audio between the Mark II and the Mark III, so you're going to be able to hear the differences, and I'll do a little bit of a sound check for you now. So we'll do the Mark II and then the Mark III. So the Mark II, check 1 2, check 1 2. Mark III, check 1 2, check 1 2. Any audio differences there, let me know. And I also want to put in my Rode VideoMic Go, I think this is called, just so you can see if you've got the G7X Mark II and you're thinking, oh, I want better audio option. Well, this check will let you analyze whether it's worth upgrading for the audio. Here is a bit of an I'm finding that the Mark II is focusing a lot quicker than the Mark III. Why is the Mark III not focusing? Okay, so here we are, audio check with the Mark II that doesn't have a microphone, check 1 2, check 1 2. The Mark III with the microphone, check 1 2, check 1 2. How is the audio quality with the microphone? Is that a reason to upgrade? It's one of the reasons why I bought it, so maybe it'll be your reason as well. So that is the test on my desk. Now I'm going to pick it up, go for a bit of a walk, and do a couple of autofocus tests. So I'm just noticing that the Mark II's got a bit better autofocus. And again, I'm not sure if I have the settings correct. I've just turned servo AF mode off on the Mark III, and it seems to be a bit slower with the autofocus. But let's see if I turn it on, because before it was really slow, and it doesn't seem to be picking up the crispness as fast as the Mark II, which is strange, because I would have thought that the newer model would be able to focus a bit better. Sorry if I'm just moving around because I want to test this properly. Let's go all the way back for a few seconds and come back in. Let's get really close. Look, see how crisp I am. Maybe it's just because different angles of the camera as well. But guys, I'll let you make your own mind up, and of course let me know in the comments below. So we're going to take it off the mic here, back to no mic on the Mark III, and let's go for a bit of a walk. So internal lighting is not the best here. Just going to the bathroom so I can show you low light what we're looking at. And again, I'm seeing that the Mark II was a lot more responsive there. And there we are, both cameras. Let's chuck the light on and let's see what happens. Whoa. How are we responding? The Mark III kind of got in there a bit quicker. But again, like I feel like I'm more washed out in the Mark III viewfinder than the Mark II. That's really strange. I'm hoping I can fix it with the settings, and if not, well, got a tough decision whether to keep the Mark III or to keep the Mark II, which is I have loved using as a camera. But anyway, let's continue the test. So we're gonna go outside, we're gonna go to the park, and I'm not gonna bring the microphone with because we've already had that test with the microphone. So you know what audio you're getting. And here's really highlighting condition. So I'm not gonna bring the microphone, but I will bring both cameras obviously, and we're gonna go to a nice outdoor spot and do a nice test. So I'll see you guys outside. All right guys, here we are for the outdoor test. I've got the light coming in straight into my face. And here it is, I'm about 1 meter away from the camera. They're next to each other. This time we've got the G7X Mark III on my right and the Mark II on the left, on my left. So yeah guys, what do you think? Again, from the viewfinder, I'm seeing more of a bluish tinge coming from the Mark II and more of a warmer tinge coming from the Mark III. Not sure what that is gonna look like in post. I'm expecting them to look the same. I'll just mention, which I haven't mentioned before, that I'm shooting in both the same modes on both cameras, which is 1080p and 60 frames per second. So there shouldn't be any difference when I check this out in post. So if there is, then it's obviously something I've done or I haven't done in the settings, which I'm really curious about. But for now, let me pick up the cameras and we'll go for a bit of a walk so you guys can decide. And I'll keep flipping around the audio so you guys can decide what is sounding better, what is looking better. And yeah, outside, sun's over my shoulder. It's pretty glary today. We've got all sorts of gardens around here, greens and pastels from the building. So yeah, interested to know you guys' thoughts. Let's get a nice shot of the plants here. Alright, well guys, hopefully that is enough comparison for you to be able to make a good decision of whether it's worth to upgrade. I'm still working it out myself, whether to keep my newer camera, which I think I will. I mean, it probably makes sense too, just from an audio point of view, and given that 90% of my videos are done at my desk. Anyway, that will be the video for today. Let me know your thoughts on both of the cameras. Have I left anything out? Are there any tests you want to see me do? I'll hang on to the G7X Mark II for a couple more weeks, but then I'll probably sell it just for minimalism and just to cleanse myself and just so I don't become a hoarder of my own cameras. And yeah, then I'm gonna kick on with the Mark III, unless there's any compelling reasons why I shouldn't. I've just noticed a couple of glitchy spots with a bit of the autofocus in the Mark III, but I'm hoping I can work through those issues in the settings. Anyway, that will be the video for today. If you enjoyed it, please feel free to give it a like. If you want to see more of my content, feel free to subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.